What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. As you can see on my table right now, it's something kind of different and unusual. And as you can see, this is my little aka little race truck. Originally it comes with this back on it, and I took it off. You have this thing in the bed here because I used to use this little truck for my gap cam. I remember I made a video probably a few weeks back where I had my front wheel drive drag car going on the stretch, and then this one was in front of it, and then the car kind of like zoomed past it. So yeah, this is what was actually doing it. And yeah, just decided to pimp it out, and get it looking a bit unusual and different. This is what it comes with right here, these tires. But as you can see on the table right here, this is a RC that they sell in Walmart. And I had this for a little while now. These were one of the first RCs that I ever built. This is how my channel got started. I used to buy the RCs in Walmart and modify them, and I bought a bunch of them and did multiple different things. So I had that for a minute, and now I came and I took off the tire and you know did the customization, and this is what I have right here. I cut off the original connection and added on, the Deeds plug to it. As you can see, the thickness in the wire is in difference. I'm not telling anybody to do this and to follow me to do this because it's a very risky thing to do. But I don't care. I like to customize things and push the limits of things. But this is what it is. This is also the remote that it comes with. And I think most hobby stores that have this, these are kind of like little crawlers that you have around. I got this one really cheap, probably like a month ago, and I just decided to just have it around in the shop, or aka my table to really, just for scale looks and whatever. And as I said, I use it for my gap cam, but now I'm using it to basically be like a little rocket bunny kind of build. It's very quick, and even with the back on it, it's very fast. Taking off the back now and just having everything just exposed. As you can see, there's a drive shaft under here, and if you can see it, I can just go over the battery there. Yeah, there's a drive shaft there, as you can see, connecting coming right up. And this thing is kind of neat, guys. And then I put a upgraded from a 10C burst, a 7.4 volt battery, which was a 10C, and now I'm running one of my Gens Ace 7.4 45C burst. So it should be pretty quick, guys. It is actually, because I actually kind of test driven it before I decided to make the vlog, but I just wanted to make sure that everything was working properly. But this is what it is. I think it's kind of sick, so let me know. These tires kind of give the truck like a little camber. Let me just remove this here so you can understand what I mean. A little camber to the sides, very sweet, coming right around. So you guys, stay tuned on this, when we're running it around the place, because when it's snowing outside and you don't have anything to do, you can rip this around and with the carpet and stuff. So like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned. Yeah.